Hey, my awesome friends! Welcome back to the channel! Today is a super exciting day because look what just arrived at my doorstep! Ta-da! It's a massive, heavy-duty, remote-control car carrier truck. Look at the size of this thing! Are you guys ready to open it with me? Let's do a countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's unbox it! Oh wow, look at this! It has a big truck cabin at the front and this huge trailer at the back with 2 levels to hold so many cars. And check out the remote controller. It has joystick buttons for driving and even a special button to lower the ramp. This is going to be so much fun! Before we go outside to test drive this beast, let's learn something super cool about real car carrier trucks. Have you ever seen one of these giant trucks driving on the highway? They are absolutely humongous. Did you know that a real car carrier truck is also called an auto transport trailer? Yes, their main job is to move brand new cars from the big factories where they are made all the way to the car dealership so people can buy them. And guess what? A real full-sized car carrier truck can hold anywhere from 7 to 12 cars at the exact same time. That is like carrying a whole parking lot on wheels. Can you imagine driving a truck that heavy? It takes a very skilled driver, called a trucker, to steer these giants safely on the road. Alright team, every big truck needs a cargo. I have collected my favorite colorful sports cars here. Let's load them up. Look at this feature on our toy truck. The top deck can actually tilt down. Vroom! Let's drive the first car up to the top level. 1, 2, 3, and 4 cars on top. Hey, here's another cool fun fact for you.
how do you think the real cars stay on the truck without rolling off when the truck goes fast or drives up a hill? Do they use giant glue? No, silly. Real car carriers use special heavy-duty straps called wheel straps and chains to tie the wheels tightly to the metal floor. They also use special built-in chocks, which are like little speed bumps to lock the wheels in place. So even if the road gets bumpy, the cars stay perfectly safe and still.
Okay, friends, the cars are locked and loaded, and we are outside. It's time for the ultimate test drive. Let's turn on the engine. Vroom, vroom. Look at it go. It steers so smoothly, even with all that weight on the back. Let's try to do a big turn. Wow, look at how the trailer bends. That's called an articulated vehicle, which means the truck is split into two parts so it can make sharp turns. Let's do a backing up challenge. Reversing a big truck is super hard because the trailer goes the opposite way you turn the wheel. Let's see if I can do it. Careful, careful. Yes, perfect parking. High five, guys. That was an amazing adventure. We unboxed the truck, loaded up our sports cars, learned that real car carriers can hold up to 12 cars, and we aced the outdoor driving challenge. What was your favorite part of today's video? Do you like the top deck or the bottom deck better? Let me know in the comments below. If you loved hanging out with me and this awesome RC car carrier truck today, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel for more toy adventures, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a you. Until next time, keep playing, keep learning, and stay awesome. Bye-bye!